Let's be real. Your entire life you have been playing the money game. The only problem is that no one ever handed you the rule book. You were taught biology and geometry, but not how to build credit or what a 401k even is. And that leaves you feeling stressed, confused, and terrified of making one wrong move that could cost you big time. It feels like running on a treadmill, working harder and harder, but getting absolutely nowhere. It is the constant stress of living paycheck to paycheck, the anxiety of an unexpected bill, and the confusion of looking at investment options that might as well be written in another language. And here is the truth. It is not your fault. The system was not built to help you win. It was built to profit from confusion. But what if in the next few minutes you could learn the financial cheat codes they never taught you in school? This is not about getting rich quickly. It is about getting smart with money for good. We are going to break down the 5 pillars of financial literacy that will take you from feeling lost to feeling confident. We will cover everything from budgeting and credit to investing and taxes, but in a way that actually makes sense. By the end of this, you will have the rule book and a plan. So let's dive in. Pillar 1, budgeting, the rule book for your money. The first and most important pillar of financial freedom is budgeting. Many people hear the word budget and instantly think of restriction, like a diet for your bank account. But that is not what it really is. A budget is not about cutting back. It is about being intentional. It is the difference between telling your money exactly where to go instead of wondering where it all disappeared to. It is about you taking control. Without a budget, you are flying blind. You make decisions based only on what is in your checking account today, not your bigger financial picture. That is how you end up with more month than money. You do not need complex spreadsheets or fancy apps to begin. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple and powerful method to start. Half of your take-home pay goes to needs, the essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to wants, the fun stuff like dining out, hobbies, or streaming subscriptions. And the final 20% goes to savings and debt repayment, which is how you build wealth and protect your future. The key is to pay yourself first. Automate your savings so that every payday, money moves directly into your savings account before you even see it. That one habit can completely change your financial future. A budget is your roadmap. It turns chaos into clarity and gives you the confidence to make choices with purpose. Pillar 2, debt, escaping the financial trap. The second pillar is understanding and defeating debt. Debt can be one of the biggest obstacles to wealth. It is like trying to climb a mountain with a backpack full of rocks. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that cannot work for you. You are literally paying for the past instead of investing in your future. Not all debt is created equal. Some debt can be useful, like a reasonable mortgage or a student loan that leads to higher earnings. That is what we call good debt. Bad debt, on the other hand, is high interest and drains your financial energy. Credit card balances, payday loans, and financing for things that lose value fast. These are traps that quietly steal your freedom. To escape, you need a plan. The 2 best strategies are the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The snowball focuses on small wins. You list your debts from smallest to largest and pay off the smallest first. Each victory builds motivation. The avalanche focuses on efficiency. You target the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving more in the long run. Both work. The best plan is the one you can stick to. Choose your method and stay consistent. Debt is not forever. Focus and patience. Every payment you make is a step closer to freedom. If you are finding value in this video and feel like the fog is lifting, take a moment to subscribe. Byte Wealth is all about giving you the financial education that school never did. Let's get back to it. Pillar 3, credit, your financial trust score. Or your credit score is one of the most powerful numbers in your life. Think of it as your financial trust score. It tells lenders how reliable you are and affects everything from loan approvals and interest rates to renting an apartment or even getting a job. A strong score can save you thousands over time. Two key factors drive your credit score. The first is payment history. Pay every bill on time every month. Even one missed payment can hurt your score significantly. Set up automatic payments to stay consistent. The second factor is credit utilization. This means how much of your available credit you are using. Try to keep it below 30%. Using too much of your available credit can make lenders nervous. If you are new to credit, there are smart ways to build it. You can become an authorized user on a family member's card with a good payment history, or start with a secured credit card, where you deposit money that becomes your credit limit. After proving you can manage it, you will often qualify for a standard card. Credit is not free money, it is a tool. Use it wisely and it becomes one of your strongest financial allies. Pillar 4. Investing. Make your money work for you now. We move to investing where your money starts working for you. Most people spend their lives trading hours for income. But investing allows your money to grow even while you sleep. The secret behind it is compound interest, the quiet force that grows wealth exponentially. It is the idea that your returns earn their own returns, building momentum year after year. Imagine planting a tree. At first, it is small, but over time it grows branches, and those branches grow more branches. That is compounding. The earlier you plant the seed, the larger the tree becomes. Starting can feel intimidating, but it does not have to be. For beginners, low-cost index funds or ETFs are the best place to start. An index fund, like the S&P 500, gives you a small piece of hundreds of companies at once, spreading risk and simplifying growth. If your employer offers a retirement plan like a 401k, use it, especially if they match your contributions. That is free money. The biggest secret is not timing the market. It is time in the market. The longer your money stays invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Do not wait until you know everything. Start now, even with a small amount. Consistency is what builds wealth, not perfection. Pillar 5. Taxes. Keep more of what you earn. The fifth and final pillar is understanding taxes. Taxes can feel like punishment, but they are simply part of the system. The goal is not to avoid them, but to learn how to work within the system so you can keep more of what you earn. The easiest way to start is by using tax-advantaged accounts. The two most common are traditional and Roth IRAs. Think with a traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax money, reducing your taxable income now. The money grows tax-deferred, and you pay taxes when you withdraw it later. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax money, meaning you get no immediate break, but all future withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. Every dollar your investments earn stays yours. Choosing between them depends on your situation. If you expect to be in a higher tax bracket later, the Roth may be better. If you want to lower your taxes right now, the traditional might make more sense. Either way, both give you a powerful way to grow your money while keeping more of it in your pocket. So there you have it, the 5 pillars of financial literacy that school never taught you. 1. Budgeting to give every dollar a purpose. 2. Managing debt to escape the trap. 3. Mastering credit to unlock opportunity. 4. Investing to build lasting wealth. And 5. Understanding taxes so you can keep more of what you make. This is not just about money, it is about freedom. It's a peace of mind of knowing that one unexpected bill will not derail you. It's the ability to choose your work, travel, or take care of your family on your own terms. Financial literacy is the foundation of that freedom. You now have the rule book. The next step is to play the game. Start small. Track your spending for a week. Open a savings account, or invest your first $20. Each small move builds momentum. Every great financial journey begins with one step. You just took yours. If you are ready to take the next, watch my video on how I saved $10,000 without giving up fun. You will find the link in the description. Before you go, share your #1 financial goal in the comments. Writing it down is the first step to making it real. Thanks for watching.